Good morning, friends. Welcome to another video. Today's video is the Summer Day in My Life Hotel Edition. This summer, I spent a vast majority of my time living in a hotel, so I will be showing you guys a typical day in my life. So let's get started. To start, I get up whenever I want. Typically, it's been between 6 a.m. and 7 a.m. I don't set an alarm. That's just the time I've been waking up. When I wake up, I first get ready for the day by brushing my teeth, washing my face, moisturizing my face, and sometimes doing a little light makeup. Then make my way over to breakfast. Today I had toast, fried eggs, and potatoes. After breakfast, I like to relax and watch some YouTube videos and wake up a bit more. I then needed to finish editing today's video, so I did that for a bit. I then decided to head over to the gym to get a little bit of a workout in. Today's workout was simple. I did some of the elliptical and ran on the treadmill. After my little workout, I hopped in the shower and finished some final edits for my video. Then it was time for snack, and I had a soft pretzel, and I love pretzels. I had to do some summer homework for one of my classes this upcoming fall semester. After my video was uploaded and my assignment was all finished, I had some me time and I decided to paint. So I ended up taking a nap, and I don't know why I've been doing this lately, but I seem to be taking a nap between like 1 and 3 p.m. every day, and this needs to stop. After painting for a bit, I headed over to dinner. I grabbed some pita bread with hummus and of course some chocolate chip cookies. I then painted some more and then ended up calling it a day. I was still extremely tired from traveling. That is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up and don't forget to comment and subscribe down below. You should totally subscribe if you're into college, travel, lifestyle, or fashion videos, because I make all of those on my channel. Thank you guys so much again for watching this video. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Bye bye!